Today, we're digging into the UK's housing crisis. Why have we stopped building the homes we desperately need?
It's a seriously complex problem. And to get our heads around it, we've got to start in London.
Get this. In 9 months, London built just 4.9% of its annual housing target. That's not great.
Experts are literally calling it a slow-motion tragedy. So what does that actually look like for people?
Well, the number of new homes is just plummeting, and the forecast for 2027, it looks pretty catastrophic.
And you know, this isn't just a London thing. The crisis is hitting buyers and builders all over the UK.
So how on earth did this happen? Well, it turns out it's not just one thing, it's a perfect storm.
Development is getting squeezed from all sides. Soaring costs, impossible regulations, and just some bad policy calls.
First up, costs. Building cost inflation shot up a massive 21% in just 2 years.
Mix that with high interest rates, and suddenly, a ton of projects just ground to a halt.
Then there's the red tape. A mind-boggling 92% of new high-rises are stuck waiting on the new safety regulator.
These delays add so much cost and risk, a lot of big projects just don't seem worth it anymore.
And this is where policy comes in. This project is a perfect example of good intentions gone really wrong.
For instance, policy says a small flat has to be this big, but what the average renter can actually afford is this big.
Okay, but this isn't just about stats and reports, right? This crisis has a very, very real human cost.
In London, the number of people in temporary housing is 7 times higher than in the rest of England.
We're talking about families with kids trapped in temporary spots for years. It's a direct result of this shortage.
And it's not just families. Our older population is also hit hard, often stuck in homes that just don't work for them.
So the problem is pretty clear. What are we going to do about it? Let's check out some of the solutions.
A few ideas are on the table. More funding, helping smaller builders, and maybe helping out first-time buyers. But that leaves us with one huge question. In this tangled mess of a problem, is there really a silver bullet?